want to show you how to restore your black paint on your car. So I use this turtle color magic black, so it's gonna restore it totally. Let's get on it. It's nice when you take some tape, special paint tape, and you cover all the chrome and all the plastic, because this special polish with some color, also normal polish, if you would polish, I would always cover it up, center the small logos and stuff like that, otherwise it's gonna be a heck to get it off. When you apply like the black polish, you just do it a little bit at a time, you divide it well, and then you start slow speed, divide it before you go on a faster speed. And the secret here is, don't let it dry, just buff it off and take a fiber cloth on the end to wipe it clean. Is the best result. And you see the layers are so thin, it dries very fast, and you use the machine straight away and you buff it up, and I use fiber cloth. I know in the books they say always let it dry for 15 minutes, but like you see, the layers that I do are so thin, they dry very fast. Polish, fiber cloth, perfect results. And here you see the final result. It's pretty nice. This is a Mini Cooper Clubman. It's 8 years old. The light became a bit old. A few scratches, like here you see it in the light, but if you buff it well, it's gonna be nice looking. It's very nice. Looks like pretty new here. So now it's all about these bumpers now. So what I'm using is this one, the Black Shine from Turtle Wax. And I just put a little bit on the cloth. I use like plastic glove because it's pretty black. I pour enough on, and I just do circle motions. So now you start to see the difference already. Alright guys, the Mini Clubman is finished. Looks pretty neat. See, the bodywork is nice. It's raining outside, so we're just gonna keep her inside for a while. And then just click and like and follow the channel, because this mini, I'm gonna have some stripes on it, make the wheels black, and different things. I'm gonna make a bit more sporty. Have a nice day.